This type of video is trending on Instagram. Today, I am going to show you how you can make this type of video. I am going to use this video for this type of animation. First, you need to take a screenshot of the last part of your video. Then, you need to open your browser and search for kaiber.ai. After opening this website, you need to create an account here. You can easily create an account using your Gmail. This website is free. Now, click here to upload the image and upload your image. Now, click here to continue the prompt. Here, you can choose any option. I am going to choose the portrait of a main character. Now, click here to continue. Here, you can choose any art style. I am choosing cinematic. Now, click here to continue to settings. Now, you can select any duration. Now, click here to generate. Okay, it's done. Now, click here to download the video. You can also upscale the video to 1080p or 4K. Now, let's see the result. Let's try another one for this type of animation. Let's see the result. If you like the video, just subscribe to my channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.